Searching for the best loud car horn feels like falling into a rabbit hole. Every listing looks identical, same decibel claims, same red or black plastic, same universal fit promise. But here's the thing, most of these are either way quieter than advertised or break in a few months. The real difference? It's buried in the details nobody talks about. Product number 1, Blau Grun 300dB train horn. First up, the Blau Grun 300dB super loud train horn. At just $15.42, this red dual snail setup screams budget upgrade, literally. The brand claims 300 decibels, which sounds insane because it probably is. What stands out is the metal housing and waterproof design, which gives it a sturdier feel than other cheap options. If you want a noticeable upgrade without spending much, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. If you live in a busy city or drive on highways where people cut you off constantly, a weak horn won't cut it. This one uses tungsten contacts and ABS material to resist heat and corrosion, so it should last longer than flimsy plastic versions. Plus, its universal fit works on cars, bikes, boats, you name it. Over 900 bought last month, so plenty of people are trying it, even with 0 reviews yet. Now some people complained about installation being tricky due to unclear wiring instructions. Here's the thing though, if you've ever swapped a headlight or fuse, this isn't rocket science. Just match the wires and secure the bracket. The bigger issue, that 300 dB claim is almost certainly fake, but even at half that, it's still a massive jump from factory horns. This is perfect for you if you want a loud, affordable upgrade and don't mind doing a bit of DIY. Skip this one if you expect military-grade durability or true train horn volume. For under $20, it's a solid value, just temper your decibel expectations. Product number 2, Farbin dual-tone snail horn. Next is the Farbin dual-tone waterproof horn at $21.87. Unlike the Blau Grun, this one doesn't pretend to be a 300 dB monster. It honestly claims 130 dB, which is still plenty loud for daily driving. The black finish looks clean and OEM-like, and it uses high-quality ABS with a waterproof shell. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Dual tone means 2 frequencies working together, which creates a more attention-grabbing sound than a single note. Think of it like the difference between a doorbell and a fire alarm. You notice the layered tone instantly. It runs on standard 12V, draws low power, and won't drain your battery. Perfect if you want reliability, WITHOUT Chinese letter headaches. Here's the thing though, if you tighten it properly and avoid off-road abuse, it holds up fine. Also, while it's waterproof, don't go pressure washing directly into the horn opening. It's not a submarine. This is perfect for you if you want a balanced mix of loudness, clarity, and subtle styling. Skip this one if you need extreme volume for rural roads or truck use. At under $22, it's a smart middle ground pick. Product number 3, Syuto high-low tone horn. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one might actually be better for daily drivers who want real peace of mind. The Syuto 12V horn at $21.87 delivers 120 dB with a high-low tone combo and boasts a 200,000 plus cycle lifespan. That's not marketing fluff. It's backed by a 12-month warranty, which says a lot. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Pure copper coil and ABS engineering plastic mean less heat buildup and better conductivity. Translation: consistent sound, no fading after repeated use. And the 10-minute install claim, surprisingly accurate, no polarity means you can't wire it wrong. Just point the horn downward to keep mud out, and you're golden. Now, some people complained about fitment issues on older European cars with non-standard connectors. Here's the thing though, the kit includes extra wires for cutting and splicing, so it's solvable. It's not plug and play for every vehicle, but close enough for most. This is perfect for you if you want long-term reliability and don't mind minor mods. Skip this one if you drive a rare import or hate wiring work. For the price, it's one of the most dependable options here. Product number 4, NeoG dual-tone alloy horn. Now, if Syuto's connector issue gave you pause, the NeoG horn at $23.14 solves that with included adapter wires and a universal plug. It hits 128 dB with dual tones and uses an alloy steel frame plus copper internals, built tougher than most. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 360 degrees seamless sealing edge is a big deal. This design prevents water ingress better, especially in rainy or snowy climates. Plus, the acoustic echo chamber amplifies sound naturally, no extra power needed. Now, some buyers said the sound is slightly harsher than expected, almost alarm-like. Here's the thing though, that's the point. You want people to hear you, not enjoy the melody. It's not for subtlety seekers. This is perfect for you if you face harsh weather or rough roads. Skip this one if you prefer a softer, OEM-style tone. At $23, it's a premium-feeling upgrade with real weatherproofing. Product number 5, Farbin Compact Air Horn. Finally, the Farbin Compact Air Horn at $32.16, the only true air-powered option here. It hits 150 dB, includes a full wiring harness, and uses an upgraded copper coil compressor. No air tank needed, which is rare at this size. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Real air horns cut through highway noise and construction zones like nothing else. This one works in degrees C to plus 80 degrees C, so desert heat or winter cold won't kill it. The kit even comes with color-coded wiring diagrams, great for beginners. Now, some users reported the compressor gets warm after prolonged use. Here's the thing though, that's normal for compact air systems. Just avoid holding the horn down for more than 3 seconds at a time. This is perfect for you if you drive trucks, RVs, or frequently travel rural roads. Skip this one if you want something simple and quiet. At $32, it's the loudest and most capable, worth every penny if volume is your priority. So which one should you get? The Blau Grun if you're on a tight budget. Farbin dual tone for balanced sound and style. Syuto for reliability and easy install. NeoG if weather resistance matters. And Farbin air horn if you need maximum volume and don't mind spending a bit more. Remember, loud isn't just about bragging rights. It's about being heard when it counts.